What's up, guys? Cody here with another video for you guys today, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the complete Shout Factory 4K collection of the entire Child's Play / Chucky films. They just recently did a 50% off on all their 4Ks, and I managed to grab the rest of the Child's Play and Chucky films for the 4K collection. And I've already watched one through, I already had one. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. So I had Child's Play, the original. I bought the Steelbook at Best Buy back in like 2021 or 2022. I don't remember when it was released, but I do remember picking it up at Best Buy, and it was the last one. So if you guys want to see an unboxing of this on its own, it is on the YouTube channel. But this was already in the collection. I'm very happy to have this, but because I do love the Child's Play franchise, I had to get the rest of these, and well, I do have them now. So like I was trying to say earlier, I had already watched 2, 3, Bride, and Seed. So here is Child's Play 2 right here. We have the classic poster art going on there. I absolutely love Child's Play 2. But, and then there is the back. As always, if you guys want to pause and read the synopsis on the top, you guys can. It does have the tagline, "Sorry Jack, Chucky's back." And then you have all the special features right there. So there's definitely some interesting bonus features that are not listed on here as well. Of course, there is a compilation of TV, the TV cut of the Child's Play movies. I believe they did all the way up to Bride. There were a bunch of deleted stuff that they would consider TV specific when they aired it on TV and stuff like that. Which, by the way, real quick story. This was my introduction to the horror franchise, the original Child's Play, and it was the TV version of Child's Play that ran on like TNT, or it was like a late night movie showing of Child's Play, and it was the TV version. So I remember being obsessed with Chucky, and ended up convincing my mother to let me watch the rest of the movies and rent them when I was like 7 or 8 years old. So I have a very fond attachment to Chucky and Child's Play. So yeah, here's Child's Play 2 again. Yeah, so there's the back again real quick. The bonus features include a bunch of commentaries with cast members, interviews, and stuff with other cast members, and then you have the theatrical trailer. Not a lot going on with the bonus features, but there's more there than a typical Blu-ray release going on there. But there is the front and the inside right there. Is the back without the slip, and we open it up. We have this really nice like color palette for each movie. Has these specific like color tones. So blue for Child's Play 2, which looks really nice. I really enjoy when they do unique things with the disc art and stuff going on there. There's that. But yeah, Child's Play 2 was one of my favorites to rent when I was a kid. But my absolute favorite one is because this one, I loved movies like this when I was a kid, like military style movies. So we have Child's Play 3. This is the one I watched the most as a kid. This was actually also the one I watched with my cousin Bo a lot. We just really enjoyed this movie when we were younger. But yeah, the front right there has the original poster art going on there. There's the side, Child's Play 3, and the back. Look who's stalking. You guys can pause the synopsis right there. And just like Child's Play 2, this does also include, like I said earlier, the TV scenes, like the TV specific scenes that they included in the movie when they aired it on television, the unrated version of it, or not unrated, the censored version of it right here. But it does also include more commentaries with directors and producers and stuff like that, as well as interviews with Justin Whalen and the girl that played Da Silva right there. Would have been nice if they got an interview with the guy that played Sheldon, you know, because he's a very memorable character in this movie. Got what was coming to him. I'm sorry. I clap every single time he gets shot in the chest with a live round. But there you guys go right there. And inside we have the same artwork going on right there. But comment below what your favorite Chucky movie or favorite Child's Play movie is down below. Like, again, I really enjoy these movies. They're fun to watch, and I'm glad that they've never looked so good. Like, I thought that when I got these, because I love upgrading to 4K for a lot of movies, I thought when I was going to get these, it wasn't going to be noticeable. Whoa, what a difference, man. It is ridiculous how different these movies actually look in 4K. Now, next up is Bride of Chucky here, which is a lot of people's favorites, of course. It definitely was a more modern take at the time of Chucky and has essentially cemented the cornerstone of what people see Chucky as, unfortunately. Let me say unfortunately, because this is when things started getting a lot more comedic, and they introduced Tiffany, and things weren't taken as seriously, I guess. But I still love Bride of Chucky. I really do. It was directed by the same person that that eventually directed Freddy vs. Jason, I believe. So it was like those type of movies. These movies in general ended up getting like a rehaul, and the comedy side of horror was just really just kind of a hard sit. But Bride of Chucky right here, of course. Chucky gets lucky right there. There's a side. Just hit the camera. There is the synopsis again, if you guys want to pause and read it. And the special features are slim pickings on this one, but again, it does include extra footage for the TV cut of the film. But you do have commentaries with Ronnie Yu, who directed the movie, an audio commentary with Jennifer Tilly, Brad Dourif, and Don Mancini, and then Bride of Chucky Spotlight on Location, which was like a behind-the-scenes thing, and then the theatrical trailer, of course. And taking the slip cover off. For the record, there is no reversible artwork in this. A lot of Shout Factories, Blu-ray releases do come with reversible art, but unfortunately these do not, because these are original poster arts. And I believe the most expensive set that you can get with these 4Ks actually came with alternative slip covers, so I think everybody's content with that. But here is the back again, right there. And then inside we have the discs, which I love this green hue that they ended up doing with this, which is pretty awesome. It's like a teal. Really cool. So there's that. Try to get this back on there. Next up, we have everyone's favorite movie to hate right here, Seed of Chucky. This movie is now 20 years old, man. It is crazy. I remember this movie actually coming out, again, 2004. At the time, I think in June, I went to go see Spider-Man 2, or it might have been a little bit later. We went to go see Spider-Man 2 in theaters, and this movie was playing at the other theater. It might have been later in the day, because I think this movie might have come out in November in 2004. I may be wrong about when I went to go see Spider-Man 2. But I remember going to see Spider-Man 2 with my cousin, and all the kids went to go see that movie at the drive-in, and at the adjacent drive-in, they were playing Seed of Chucky. And yeah, I was a little jealous, but there was a better movie playing, so I don't hate my decision. But I was a huge fan of Chucky at this point. And from what I remember, my older cousins that got to go see Seed of Chucky were really kind of meh about the movie. Until I rented it, I really didn't have a preference on it. But yeah, this movie is really kind of hard to sit through sometimes. And I just recently watched it, and I was like, wow, what an interesting take. But Chucky's bloodiest and most twisted adventure yet. It's a wicked good time. I have never seen a movie so misquoted since Batman and Robin saying it's the best Batman yet. But there is the synopsis right there. and you have all the special features going on right there. All these special features literally are carried over from the Blu-ray and DVD releases of the predecessor. The release of those movies, or this movie, has been lackluster in the special editions and stuff like that. So nothing has been added except for a new 4K master of the movie, and it's just the theatrical edition. If you want to watch the unrated edition of the movie, it is unfortunately only in 1080p. So no, the 4K is that it's just the theatrical cut. But yeah, you have Tiffany on one of the discs there, and then if we'll focus, Chucky attacking Jennifer Tilly right there. And I just got done watching the Chucky TV series. I do love how they are connecting everything. It is very interesting. All right, next up, these are the two that I ended up getting today that completed my collection. Here is Curse of Chucky. Now, I was hyped when this movie came out in 2013. They released the trailer. It looked like the movie was going back to its darker roots. And they did. They really did. This movie definitely tried to go back to what people were used to from Child's Play 1 and 2. And it was a great movie. This is actually a very good Chucky Child's Play-esque movie. It didn't have, Tiffany and stuff until the very end when they tried to bridge the story and stuff like that. But this movie was amazing. And I actually really like Nika Pierce's, or the character of Nika Pierce, played by Fiona Dourif. So, yeah, this is just a great movie. And it is now in 4K. And I don't know why I took the slipcover off if I haven't shown you guys everything. But there's the front right there. There's the side. And I'm sorry if it's not focusing, because it's picking up on the lights. But it says Curse of Chucky on the side there. And I'm hitting the camera again. There's the back. Funny and brutal. I honestly do not know why it doesn't want to focus, but there you go. It says funny and brutal right there. Special features include a new 4K master. Of course, that's something to be expected. It says new. I guess all the bonus features are carried over from the Blu-rays of the past. I wouldn't really expect them, since these are sort of newer movies, to actually do much with the bonus content, but it does look like they did include both. Okay, it's just the unrated. The unrated cut is in 4K on this one, so I just had to check. Like, again, I just got these in, so I haven't really got to thoroughly go through each individual one. But yeah, there is the front, the side, and the back right here. We open it up. We have the discs. I really like this image right here. So there is Curse of Chucky. And lastly, we have Cult of Chucky here, which I have watched maybe once, and I've heard people say that they don't like it. I honestly do not remember Cult of Chucky, so it's going to be interesting going back to it. Again, there's a synopsis right there. Special features. Yeah, again, the bonus features, I believe, are just carried over from the previous releases. So, nothing really too special going on there. Everybody's in it for the, the 4K transfer. Of course, collectors of physical media are weird, so I like to, even though I own these movies on Blu-ray, like to have the best quality available. But there you guys go. And inside there are the discs right there. You got Fiona Dourif right there. And there's the 4K with Chucky. So there you guys go. Yeah, again, if you guys are really interested in, checking out the Steelbook unboxing, that is going to be up, or is already up on my YouTube channel. So if you guys want to check out the unboxing for that, there is that. But guys, that is the entire Chucky 4K collection released by Shout Factory right there. Again, let me know down below what your favorite Child's Play or Chucky movie is. down below. And as always, if you like what you see, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll be back with more videos soon, and I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.